Alright, y'all, what's up? So, I just wanted to go over real quick with you. Um, I'm kind of going to wrap up this deal with the vehicle speed sense, but I'm also eventually going to circle back to it. So, what I determined was just cutting that purple wire, I believe, that's in the video. That took away the volume going up and down, and we have the music is it has that impact there. Now, I did realize when I cut that wire, it still rolled off the low end, right? So the low end still has a roll off. But today, on my way to Home Depot, I was playing around with, and this is kind of what I came up with. Let me get. All right. So what I did was, usually my bass is like 2 ticks from the bottom, so it's usually it's usually there. As I was driving around and listening to, I had it as high as halfway, and that brought that roll off back, and it sounded good. And as sometimes when I was driving, it was too impactful. So I think about halfway is that halfway? I'm trying to look through my screen, but that's halfway right there. So sometimes when I was driving, like going, you're doing on the highway or so, the bass was too impactful, and I think that's where that was at. So I turned it down, I think there, right? And then I played with it being down 1 extra tick, and that actually helped out tremendously. So for now, so that I can keep moving, and it's wintertime here, it's cold, I'm gonna leave this right here, but I will get back to it. If this is something that you're particularly interested in, just send me drop it down in the comments and say, hey man, vehicle speed sense, the second part. All right, and I don't care if you're annoying me to it, I'll get back to it. All right, I do have plans to get to it. It's just right now, I don't want it to completely hinder what I got going on. So anyway, we'll circle back to that one, and yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the YouTube things, and goodbye. Yeah, have a good one. I'm gonna bring myself to work. Yeah, all right. Peace.